Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating exactly what you installed and where. This prevents removing the system Python. Open Terminal and run Python 3 version and which Python 3 to see the active binary. Once done, inspect Homebrew with BrewList Python and check Pyenv versions. Make note of any framework installs in /library/frameworks/Python. Framework. Make sure to back up virtual environments and any site packages you need before removing files so you can restore projects quickly. Now remove the installation based on how it was installed. If Homebrew installed Python, run brew uninstall Python or brew remove Python at 3x and then brew cleanup. This removes binaries and links. If Pyenv manages it, run Pyenv uninstall version and then remove shims and version entries from your shell profile. For official framework installers, you remove /library/frameworks/Python framework and delete related symlinks in /usr/local/bin carefully. Make sure you finish by cleaning up your shell configuration and checking that you didn't break the system Python. Edit // bash profile or // zshrc to remove any custom path entries pointing to removed installs, then restart the shell. Verify with which Python 3 and Python 3 version plus pip 3 version. If commands fail, restore your backups or reinstall a single distribution like Homebrew Python to regain a working binary. A key troubleshooting tip. If permissions errors occur, run lsl on removed paths and fix ownership with sudo chown before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.